We have seen on social media reports of problems at California Dreaming, and our reporter Michael Higdon is there right now.
Michael, do they have any idea? There's apparently was a fire at California Dreaming, a wonderful restaurant. Do they think the weather conditions today may have led to that fire where you are?
It is still a very active scene here at the California Dreaming. Information on exactly what happened is still unknown, but I want to show you the scene right now. Take a look. There's still multiple fire trucks, multiple people at the Charleston County Ambulance, EMS. They are leaving right now. But this is just a minuscule amount of first responders that were out here even just 5-10 minutes ago when we first pulled up on the scene. I can tell you when we first got here, about 10 to 12 Charleston Fire Department crews were out here. A lot of lines had been drawn going up to California Dreaming. At this point in time, we don't know exactly what happened. I spoke with folks who were out here just a few moments ago asking if they saw anything, if they heard anything. They said by the time they got here, which was about 20 minutes ago or so, they didn't see any smoke, they didn't see any flames. They're actually checking on their boats because the California Dreaming is right behind or right beside several of the docks where boat owners dock their boats, obviously. But as of right now, again, they said they didn't see anything or smell anything. They said what they had tried to work was it was an electrical fire because of all this rain. But again, that has not been confirmed by officials. So we are still waiting to hear from crews about exactly what happened. We're now reporting live. I'm Michael Higdon. That's Austin. Thanks, back to you.
You know, it seems a little bit ironic that with all the rain and flooding we've had, you have a fire at that wonderful restaurant, California Dreaming. Could have been a short from the water.
It could have been, but I remember during Hurricane Matthew, the Midway Fire Department in Pawleys Island had to go fight a ferocious fire, and it's difficult to get the fire equipment in. And earlier today, we saw a lot of pictures of California Dreaming really almost close to being underwater, water up to the doorstep. So lots of problems at that building today, and now our first responders are there trying to fight a possible fire. We'll keep you posted.